Squantos came over to my place, and we sat on the patio, Squantos and I. And I went walking one night after midnight. We found our way to Huntington Park and wandered through the woods towards the old cabin. And when we came upon the cabin, all we found was the chart. Remains someone had burned the cabin down. So we went back to the room above the garage, lit up a black and mild, cracked a cold PBR as we reminisced about the old times in the home of the high country. In the home of the high country. Oh, Squantos, how is that barking cat? And how is that three-legged dog? I hope that they are living in the home of the high country. In the home of the high country. In the home of the high country. Of the high country. In the home of the high country. Squantos and me in the home of the high country.